motors play, which goes in and out, which is bad for the rocking. So when you're driving, that same place the one where you feel, you make the car feel rocky, feel like it was parts, that same play there and the movement. So now, you have a brand new one.
Show them a difference.
So the difference now, as you can see in this one, you can just dangle it and just move it anywhere. Pull it in and out. The new one now, you can't really do that quite tight. See, firm, can't move. Well, it can, but that will take a lot of strength. See, so you can try to move it to the other. Now we move. So that's the difference of how you can know which one good or bad.
So explain to them now, yes sir. Based on how you pull it off.
So based on how I pull it off now. After I pull the nuts, you show that collar nut here now. You tighten it. You put this on. So right here, we'll count the full rotations when taking off the tie rod in to get it back in the same place or a rough alignment. So it's not half bad when you go to the alignment. So we'll count
like
23.
a revolution or
yes, something. Full revolution with this. So it was right like this. If I goes in here like this.
So how much revolution you get in there?
23.
23. Oh.
Full.
Okay.
Rotation. So that's when you turn it, it goes back straight back down. So you got 23. So we will put them on, we will count out back the 23 and tighten it up back and put it in.
Okay, nice,
yes.
nice.
Yeah. That was cool. So that.
Counting?
So I have to count them now. So you start, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
That's it.
So you get it back in the same location. Yeah, not for that, yeah. So now we have to tighten, but we have to tighten, but the other nut.
Okay.
So that I will tighten the tie rod in now to the rocking. That nut here now. So then you have to just. Sir. Oh. We are using new nut points for the old one. We like to use the old one.
To the end?
Yeah.
I see it.
Yeah. Use the new one, sir.
Come and split it, you know. It's a castellated nut. Yeah. When the whole time castellate, watch you. Right here, funny. That you call it nut.
See like I guess the crown.
Oh yeah.
Come on, this one. You just want to tighten. Yeah. Sixteen pin na quite.
Alright, when you have 3 times, can you put up your
Turn for
It is something to I'm the money man knocked out, you know. Yes, sir. So we'll take down the whole of this then. The whole of this.
No, that's how it works now. The pin, so now if the nut back off, it will get stuck between the pin. So all if it do back off, you still good, although you still need to tighten it, you go ear. You go ear like something loose. And then by the time when you check it, so you wanna do that right, yes sir. You can't take it one thing.
Alright. Okay, so this will get this off.
What?
We can get off this one. I'm good now. I'll take out this one then. Have to go. Push right there, so take out the control.
No, you never do that, huh?
Oh, yeah. Because I didn't know it come
Yeah.
from, huh? Yeah. So we have to trouble the controller. Yeah, the machine this way.
Spin over.
I'm gonna check if the bearings I'm gonna change from here. Wheel bearings. When I take two. The jar, the CV jar now. That is it. Want to inspect the wheel bearings in here. See if them want change.
Let's start it, man. Let's start it.
Spin it and see. Feel alright?
And then they will make the rotor. Yeah, break off.
Yeah, I saw it this thing.
Alright, let's turn it upside down. Put on by the nut. Let's stop it off. Knock out this. Short of the bar joint, if I run bar joint, no, get out that enough. It's easy.
No, that's fine. Yeah. Stop on that, yeah. Stop on that. Tell him I know. Stop on. But he must say, I'll work the same.
No, it's this. No, it's there. Alright. No, man, I need to go. This one change now.
Stop on.
I like that play there. Right.
But the bar joint are gone.
You like the bush around change now.
Yeah, but the bar joint are gone.
Yeah.
I'm on there.
Circuit class.
Circle man.
Yeah, I'm circuit class.
Take out the
Yeah.
circle players like
Yeah, see to left on you.
But you may not see no gap. You want to hold.
Just have a gap on the back.
about the ABS sensor?
Yeah, man, that's alright.
You want to put on about the caliper now? Can go on back or go push on the piston. Alright.
Hold the break.
Yeah.
Straight by the stairs.
Just stay in, pal.
Alright guys, so the noise that I was hearing in this side fix, it was a lower ball joint. So I'm going to try to turn the wheel and you're not going to hear any noise. So I'm moving the steering. Normally I hear a squeaking sound. That sound is gone. So it was a lower ball joint. Yeah, so thanks again for watching guys, really appreciate it.